So in this presentation we're going to look at summations. Now this is a question from 2001. Now in the study guide that there is three important summations that are required, and this is the second of those summations. Now, so there it is there, and so how we're going to use this is as follows. There, so the sum from n here is equal to 100, and r is equal to 1. That's the first value there, into 100 of r. So that's equal to 1. R is equal to 1 plus 2, and so on. And we have to calculate this. Now this is equal to, let me put it in blue now, n times n plus 1 all over 2. Okay, so n here is again 100. So the summation is 100 times 101 all over 2. That's equal to 10100 divided by 2, and that's equal to 5050. So that's the answer to the first one, 5050. Let's make a mental note of that. Oops. Let's just make a mental note of that, because that'll become more relevant in the next question. So the next question is sum this up here. So we have the sum of from 21 to 100. So here's how we're going to do that. Now just remember the last one was 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now I'm going to interject here plus 20 plus 21 plus so on, and then to 100. And we know that that is equal to 5050. What we're asked here is to calculate this bit. Okay. What we can do is calculate this bit as well. This would actually be easier to calculate, and subtract it from 5500 or 5050. So what's this one here? This is the sum from r equals 1 to 20 of r. Okay, and again that is equal to n by n plus 1 all over 2. Now this is 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is goes up to 20. So that's 20 times 21 all over 2, and that's equal to 210. Okay, that's just a little bit of calculator work. Okay, now what does that mean? 21 plus 22 plus so on all the way up to 100. That is equal to 5050 minus 210, and that is equal to 4840. That is the answer to that one. Okay, so the third one is the next one. 5 plus 10 plus 15 and so on. So what we could do is actually consider this is 5 times 1 plus 5 times 2 and so on, all the way up to 5 times 20. And that means we can use our result from the last case. So we can actually sort of say this is 5 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on plus 20. Whoops. And that is equal to 5 times the sum from r equals 1 to 20 of r, and that's 5 times 210, and that's 1050. Again, just a quick bit of calculator work. So that's the 2001 question on summations.